Good afternoon to all. Today we are going to discuss about the basics of PHP. So PHP, which means Hypertext Preprocessor, and it is widely used open source general purpose scripting language that is especially suited for web development and can be embedded into HTML. So we can easily embed it into HTML. PHP is a scripting language, the basic scripting language. Almost every user can easily use the scripting language and can easily embed it into the HTML document. So PHP is a server-side scripting language. So PHP is a scripting language that runs on server side. The PHP scripts are executed are only in the server. So PHP supports many databases, that is MySQL, Oracle and ODBC, and many more databases also supports for PHP. So PHP is an open source software and easily download it from the web browser, and every user can easily use. And then PHP runs on different platforms, that is Windows, Linux, Unix, and many more operating systems also supports for PHP. And PHP is compatible with almost all users used today, that is like MySQL and Apache server, IAS server, and many more servers also supports for PHP. PHP is easy to learn and runs on efficiently on the server side. So PHP is a scripting language so that every user can easily learn and runs efficiently on the server side. So MySQL is a database server. MySQL is ideal for both small and large applications. So MySQL is basically a database server, and which is ideal for both small and large applications. It also supports standard SQL, that is a simple query language, and which compiles on a number of platforms. The PHP code is enclosed. So let's come to the PHP coding, how the structure and the coding will be, where the coding will be there. The PHP code is enclosed in special start and end pre-processing instructions, like so open command and PHP and close command that allows you to jump into a out of PHP mode. And then next, this is the basic PHP code. So we can include HTML coding for align the document. It is a open HTML command and open tag for head and open tag for title, that is we are giving the title into example, and a close tag for title, close tag for head, and body tag. So in that body tag we are going to include the PHP coding. So the PHP coding, the basic structure for PHP coding is open tag PHP, so echo. So I am going to display this string in my output page. So I am entering that. So in that echo, what I am giving the string, it will display on the screen. Hi, I am PHP script. So I am giving the line like hi, I am a PHP script. So I'm ending with that is I'm closing the command and closing the body tag and HTML tag. So here is the basic HTML coding, which the output will be the line hi, I am a PHP script, which is display on the output, display as the output. So PHP code is executed on the server. So the code will be executed in the server, generating HTML, which is the send. So generating HTML, which is then sent to the client. So who is sending the code to the server, that is HTML. The client would receive the result of running the script, but would not know what the underlying code was. What underlying code was. So here is the client was HTML. The HTML sent to the server, and which is generate the output and display the output. output, displays the output into the output page. So here is the example. So here we have a PHP coding and which is transformed to the PHP server and which is transformed the output to the browser, web browser. So always we can see the output in the web browser. So the PHP scripts are runs on the server. The outputs can be easily viewed in the web browser. So like Chrome, Mozilla and many web browsers supports the PHP for displaying the output. And then next, so here is the basic code for PHP. We can include the HTML coding for align the code. So here I have opened the HTML tag and heading tag, title tag. So in the title I have enclosed with PHP test. So and also I am enclosed with the title tag and heading tag also. So I am going to open the body tag. So in the body tag I am I'm going to enter the PHP code. So open tag PHP echo. So here I enclosed with paragraph tag. So that is hello world. So and also I am closing the body tag and HTML tag. So the output will be the hello world. So the string runs on the server side and it will displays on the browser as hello world. The program is extremely simple, so which is extremely simple, and you really did not need to use PHP to create a page like this. So all does display hello world using the PHP echo statement. The echo statement is to display what string is we are giving in the echo statement, which will be displays on the browser. So this is the basic code for PHP. So we use double slash to make a single line command, or slash star and enclosed with the star is to large command, so large block. So here in PHP coding we can also use the command lines. So double slash is used for single line command, and then slash star used for multi-line command. So we can easily hide the lines and also the paragraphs. So here comes to the variables. So many other languages are using the variables. Likewise, the PHP also using the same rules and regulations for variables. Variables are used for storing values. So when we are creating the variables, which is used for only storing the values like text strings, numbers and arrays, these are stored in the variables. So when a variable is declared, it can be used over and over on your script. So all variables in PHP start with a dollar symbol.